This critique is for week 4, assignment 1. Hi, Dan. I read your response. Thank you so much for that. Didn't see any questions there that you had for me. So now let's look at your assignment a little bit. First of all, I noticed the first thing I needed to see when I opened your assignment was to actually see your guides. And I'm going to go ahead and mark it. There we go. And then after that, the one thing you needed to do was to take your text, and it needed to actually sit up here as stated in the assignment. And then the other thing I want to check, I haven't checked yet, is your character. Going to the character window, just a second. It's processing something. Can't do anything. Yep, I'm frozen. Okay, sorry about that. I had to restart my Photoshop. Anyway, I need to redo your guides so that I can see where everything goes. I had to reopen the files. Okay, I'm just going to do those for now. Move this up so that it just touches the guides on both sides. There we go. Now let's check that text. This was supposed to be 28 points, which it is, but your leading on this, Dan, was supposed to be 22. Same here. And same here. Okay, and then the other thing is I need to check is your digital inner shadow. And what this is the angle was actually supposed to be at 52. The opacity was supposed to be set at 48. And your other settings are correct. Say okay. And so now your assignment is good, except now, of course, your name here is misplaced. And what I would do with your text, when you're creating a design or working within a design, you want to remember a rule of thumb. Either you put the added text within a graphics area, in which case I would want to rotate this by using the free transform tool, and then placing it within this area. So that it's centered within the graphic. Or the other option, Dan, is to take this and spread it, holding the shift key down, spread it across the bottom of your page. Okay? And clearly adjustments need to be made. Still too much. And that really doesn't look right with the, but if we turn it, maybe that'll look better. Something like this. And then I would just, what I would do is just apply some kind of effect. I see you have a glow on it, but maybe drop shadow to make it stand out a little bit, or a bevel to make it stand out. Any number of things that could work here. Okay, so I do need you to resubmit, and I thank you for posting. Thank you, Dan.